In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide notes from someone on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and guys. The first of you need to open up Instagram app. After that, tap right here to go to Messages. And that's where we can easily create a note. To do that, I'm gonna double right here. We can write here something. And before sharing that note, we can configure privacy level for that note by typing right here at the bottom where it says share with followers. You follow back. This is default setting. However, we can share our knowledge just with our close friends. If we select this option, and if you tap right we can configure that least we can. Let's say remove some users from here simply by I'll check marking them in that way. And also we can add there another users by select lamp. Also we can use source to search for some specific user. And then once it is done, just hit add done. And to continue and to share this note, just stop right here. If this video was helpful don't forget to hit the like button